Welcome to Control Tech. This video series is to help our customers in solving common dehumidifier issues. We will suggest you different steps to resolve this issue. So, let's solve it together. Third issue is about excessive dehumidification. Why my dehumidifier making room too dry? First step to solve excessive drying issue it to check Humidistat of dehumidifier. The Humidistat on your dehumidifier allows you to set your desired humidity level. If the user selects a very low humidity level, the unit will work continuously and make the climate too dry. So, adjust the Humidistat to a higher value so the dehumidifier will cut off early. For accurate dehumidification, we should calibrate the dehumidifier's humidistat. Hygrometers are designed to measure room humidity. It is recommended to cross-check the dehumidifier's humidistat with an external humidistat. In case of any discrepancy, you can adjust the humidistat or replace the humidistat of the dehumidifier machine. External factors can also influence excessive moisture removal. Factors such as high outdoor humidity, frequent door openings, or additional moisture sources in the room can contribute to the dehumidifier's overperformance. I'd like you to assess these external factors and adjust the dehumidifier's settings accordingly. For more such informative videos on dehumidifiers, please subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please do email us. We, Control Tech Dehumidifiers, will be happy to answer it as much as possible. Get in touch with us to learn more about our products and services. Thanks for watching this video.